Hello, today I'm going to talk to you about the GEO All About assignment. So you are definitely looking at the video directions right now, so good job finding those. For your directions, you will access your assignment in Canvas and complete the following slides. So when you open this assignment on Canvas, it's going to have a total of 9 slides. And you can see those numbers here, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., all the way down to the bottom where there's a number 9. But your directions say complete the following slides. So I have the slides listed that you are going to complete, and it says do not do slides 5, 6, and 7. So you will just leave those slides completely blank. I know on my end not to grade those slides. Don't worry about doing those because you have a modified assignment. So you will complete slide number 1, which is the title slide right here. And all you have to do is, it says add your name here. So you're going to put your name in that spot. Then it says you're going to do slide 2, use 5 words to describe yourself. So I gave you some examples, like happy or funny. Not looking for physical descriptions, not looking for blonde or tall or short or something like that. Actual descriptive words that tell me who you are as a person. Once you're finished with slide 2, you're going to do slide 3. What can Miss Groby do to help you in geography? So that's slide number 3. Obviously, you are the student and a lot of things, fall on you to be successful, right? But what can your teacher, what can I do to help you in geography to be successful? After you complete that, you're going to do slide number 4. That slide, this is the what can you do to help you in geography. So what are things you can do as a student to do well in your geography class? Then you're going to skip all the way to slide number 8. And so let's do that. So we're going here where there's an 8 to the side. It says if you could pick anywhere in the world, where would you live? So very interested in seeing what kind of answers you come up with. And then you will do slide number 9. If you could choose to have dinner with 3 people, living or dead, who would they be and where would you go? Now, you can pick people that you know. You can pick people you don't know. You can pick famous people, or you can pick people from your family, friends, whatever, people you would like to know. Doesn't matter to me. But 3 people, and where would you go? And once again, do not do slides 5, 6, and 7. That is your assignment.